Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine and welcome to a new video. So guys, in this video we will discuss about how we can easily score 60 plus or more than that in CMA final paper number 20 strategic performance management and business valuation. Yes guys, with self study or if you want to take classes in both manner, you can easily score more than 60 plus in paper number 20 strategic performance management and business valuation. Also in paper number 19, both paper easily can be easily done by self study. In my CMA final, I have also did the same strategy. Self study I have done paper number 19 and paper number 20. Okay, but in during my study I refer the notes of Nikhil Gupta sir. Okay, and those students who want to take classes either in Hindi or English, Nikhil Gupta sir provide the same. Okay, I'm not promoting anyone, but I'm just giving my opinion. Okay, during my CMA final I have studied or refer the notes of Nikhil Gupta sir. Okay, you can also follow the same strategy. So the important chapter in paper number 20 I will discuss about. For remaining chapters of paper number 20 or paper CMA final, I have already mentioned the video and prepared the video. You can also enjoy the video. After watching the video related with any particular subject, if you have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. Okay, so we'll discuss about the one by one. So we have a two sections. Section 1, section A, strategic performance management, 50 mark, which is almost theoretical portion. We cannot say that 100%, but most portion for strategic performance management is in the form of theoretical. If you are talking about business valuation, is the combination of theory and practice, but the practical portion is more than in section B, business valuation. So hope you understand that. So what will be the strategy? As you are seeing that we have only 4 study note number in section A and also 4 study note number in section B. So if it is possible, please complete. I will not suggest you that if you skip any study note number, okay? But if still, I can suggest that you can in section A you can skip study note number 1. Same in section B, study note number 5 you can skip remaining 3 from this section A and remaining 3 from section B. Okay, so 6 study note number you have to do in paper number 20, which is very easy. Okay, valuation of merger and acquisition, very important. Fair value and accounting measurement, important. Or valuation of intangible. These study note, 3 study note number are very much important. So hope you also understand that. Okay, in section A, strategic performance management, which is mostly a theoretical subject. So first priority to complete your 8 study note number. But if you're talking about, I will suggest those study note number you can skip. So in section number 1, as I have told, you can skip study note number 1. In section B, study note number 5, but the remaining 6 study note number you have to do. Okay, because paper number 20 is not that much lengthy. You can easily do this whole subject with 1 or 2 revision. So hope you understand that. Yes guys, with self study you can easily score more than 60 plus. If it is possible, you can refer the Nikhil Gupta sir handwritten notes or books. Okay, the first priority is to complete from study material. If you complete 100% study material, then you need not to do any like scanner or past year paper or any books. But for theoretical subject, you are facing that key in study material there are technical language. So for theoretical subject, Nikhil Gupta sir is book is best. You can refer for theoretical or also in practical. But after completing the study material, your theoretical portion, your practical portion, I would request that you must undergo with the past year paper, which is easily available in the institute site. So no need to buy any scanner. Past year paper, study material, or Nikhil Gupta sir. These 3 is more than sufficient to score more than 60 or 70. Okay. So after watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me. I have in briefly, I want to conclude the video. Okay. So in this paper number 20, we have 8 study note number 1. In section A, you can study note number 1 and study note number 5. If you want, you can leave. Okay, the rest 6 study note number is very important. Paper number 20 is not that much lengthy. If you want to do, yes, with self study, you can easily complete paper number 20 and score more than 60. Okay, for if you're talking about I will refer any teacher video if you want to buy. So Nikhil Gupta is the first priority. Okay, and I will suggest I will always suggest that for paper number 19 and 20, no need to buy any classes. You can easily do the self study, but you need to buy the reference book. If you are not buying the reference book, no need to worry. Study material or past year paper is more than sufficient. So hope you understand that. After watching this video, have any doubt, you can ask me. And yes, I have prepared the separate video from paper number 13 to paper number 20 of CMA final. After watching any video, you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can also suggest me or you have any doubt, you can ask me related with any topic. So for today, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.